As you can see from here, there's the noticeboard home interface. This is the home interface of the smart digital noticeboard, and because I want to keep the home interface as simple as possible for user to interact, I want to reduce the learning process as short as possible. I want to make the user can use the board straight away. So I've simply divided by the four different functions into four sections with four different sections. This section shows the calendar, and you can see the high visibility. You can see the day straight away, and the list the things happen on that day. And then that one next to it is weather. You cannot see properly now, as it's simply a paper prototype, but in reality, the home interface will have the animation here. For this instance, now is the weather is raining. As you can assume, it's raining now, and which in reality the home interface will have animation which shows the rain is raining now here. So the user can actually, when they look at the board, they can see, oh yeah, it's a rainy day straight away without any doubt. They can know it's raining. It's really high visibility, highly visible. So if it's sunny, it will show a massive sun here, which the user can know, yeah, it's a sunny day. Okay, when it comes to here, I have divided by this section into two subsections, which the left one shows the time of the day, the time. But I think the time is also one of the important features that the user would like to know. It will also increase their possibility, increase their likelihood in looking at the board, because I want to check out the time. Hence, they can look at other functions as well. And here is the reminder. The user can add things onto the reminder, or simply the user can add the things on their iPhone calendar, and it also automatically shows here. Oh no, actually, my mistake. The iPhone reminder, which will automatically show here. This function is one of the core functionality of my smart digital notice board design, and I'm going to go into detail now. Like for example, four different sections. When you tap it, it will bring you into four different interfaces. And now I'm going to talk about this one. This one is like when I press. Okay, let's go. I press this function. After I press this function, the screen will automatically brings me to another interface. As you can see, when I jump to this page, I can either press here, which I can go back to home page. Okay, let me press home. Yeah, it brings me back to home page again, just to let you know how it works. And okay, I type it again, it brings me to this page again. As you can see now, there's two bottom here, which the first one is a write and the second one is record. I want to maintain the traditional noticeboard functionality, which enables users to write message, but I also want to increase new functionality such as message recording services functionality. So if I press write, it will automatically brings me to another interface, which will shows a massive keyboard here. I can either type the message using the keyboards, or I can use the handwriting thing to write whatever message I want to leave. I won't go into detail because it's pretty similar to what you have on iPhone. I bring the whole interface back to the notice board, so I won't go into detail. What I want to emphasize now is the new functionality, record message functionality. If I sometimes I find it is quite urgent, I don't want to write a message, I can simply record my message. So I can press records and I can talk. For example, hi Louis, I'm out now. I'm just wondering because I want you to give me back my stuff today. So can you make sure when you come back to school you bring it back to me, okay? I press it. and after I lift my finger away, the screen will automatically brings me to another interface, which shows two different buttons. As you can see now that the screen, I have designed the screen as simple as possible with very few buttons, and now you can see two buttons which shows the level importance of the message. I can choose whether it's a normal message or it is an important message. Since I want Louis to bring my stuff back today, so for this instance I will just choose important. Okay, I'll press important, which will brings me back to the home page. The screen will the noticeboard will automatically brings me back to the home page, which, as you can see, I can see my message here flashing. You cannot see it's flashing now because again it's a paper prototype. However, in real life you can see the message is here with circular shape. It's flashing, keep flashing. This will attract users to look at the board, and also it's high visibility, highly visible. You can see the message straight away because it's keep flashing. However, what is the difference between the circular shape and the rectangular shape is that the rectangular shape is for written message, so the user can actually see, oh, it's a written message or it's a recording message. So for this instance, it's a recording message, and for this instance is the written message. And I can see here is another message which left by Louis, someone else. I can simply press it, and the notice board automatically play the message. I can start listening to the message straight away. Okay, so I can press it, and the speaker will stop. The message automatically start to play. I can listen to what is the message says. Again, press it. I can listen to what the message says. Okay, after that I'm going to show you another function, which is the weather function. The weather functions, like, simply you can see the animation is raining now. However, if I want to know more about different, like the weather on Tuesday or the weather in 2 o'clock today, so I can simply tap it, and it will bring me to the interface, the weather interface. As you can see, it's divided by into two main sections. I can see the weather, the temperature for different days, and the temperature of different time today. Yeah, and now if I want to show the London weather on the home interface, I can just simply put this here. But however, you want to show the Taipei interface, which is also another city I want to be aware of, I can simply move this to here. Then this one will automatically show you on my home page. However, it doesn't work now. It's a paper prototype. If I want to go back to home page, I just simply press the home button, which I mentioned earlier. And if I don't want to know the London and the Taipei time, the Taipei weather, I want to change to other cities as well. I can change place by pressing these two buttons, which I won't go into detail. I press home button again, which brings me back to the home button, home interface. Brings me to home interface, and now I'll look at the calendar. This one you can see the exact day, time, day, Monday, in the list. The user can automatically see what's happened today, and whose birthday is, as you can see, it's Jason's birthday today. I can know it straight away. The limitation on iPhone is you have to constantly look at the iPhone calendar to know it's someone's birthday. But with the notice board, you can actually see straight away on the home screen. You can see, oh, it's Jason's birthday, oh, I got a finance meeting today. You can see straight away. Okay, again, I press this. It brings me another interface, the calendar interface, which enables me to see the exact calendar day, different dates, and pressing will automatically show me the list of things, which is pretty similar to iPhone, but with a bigger interface and more more interactive interface, and the user can actually see things more clearly. Okay, I press this one, and after I press this one, it enables me to set like add notes to these particular things, and I can set alarm for these particular things to remind me. And I can press home button to back to the home interface again. For this one, I don't have to go into the further interface again, because this one is automatically from iPhone. So you can actually restart here, but it doesn't bring to another interface, because only these three will bring to another free interfaces. So you can clearly see I'm trying to reduce the functionality into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 core factors, but 5 main functionality. I keep it as simple as possible. This will be my smart digital notice board, which maintain the traditional written function, which you can leave notes, but you can also record notes, but also a few information which people constantly might be aware of every day: the time, the date, the important things they have to remember on calendar, the weather forecast with animation. You can see the weather straight away. Louis will bring the umbrella again. Won't forget to bring his umbrella again, which is nice. You can see straight away. Thank you for listening. This is my Wizard of OS prototyping. Just want to teach you how the processes are going through. Thank you. Smart digital notice board. Thank you.